Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14T and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can go to the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner. And here we've got the timer bar. So we've got three different options: off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. It is immediately highlighted. What is more, we've got this noted in the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can quickly turn off the timer just by entering the settings again and tapping on off. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.